Who's your supervisor? Out of Texas.
İşte tam bu sırada yalan ortaya çıktı. Pazartesi akşamı şerif yardımcıları, çakarları ve sireni olan şüpheli bir araç fark etti. Aracın detaylı bilgilerini departmana ilettiler. Ertesi sabah saat 5:30 civarında aynı aracın çakarları ve sirenleri açık bir şekilde hızla ilerlediğini gördüler. Bunun üzerine şerifler aracı hemen durdurarak müdahalede bulundu.
I left him a message.
Okay. All right. Yeah, just hang tight with me
I
for a
got to
minute.
go back to shift in about 2 hours, so
Where's shift at? Where's
I
shift
got to
at?
get in my car.
Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, hopefully we can get this resolved really quickly. All right, thanks.
Polislerin bölgeden herhangi bir acil durum bildirimi almamış olmalarına rağmen aracın sirenleri ve çakarları açık şekilde ilerlemesiyle sürücünün konuşmaları sırasında kendini federal koruma olarak göstermekte kararlı ve ısrarcı olması şeriflerin onun sahte federal koruma olabileceği şüphesini daha da güçlendirdi.
Hey, we got somebody on the phone who wants to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Sir, what is your name?
Gary Lambert.
Okay, what district do you work out of?
I work out of Texas, but they got me down. They got me down in Florida right now, looking into Marion Oaks. There's two gangs out there that are riding on a four-wheeler with a pole on it, busting into people's houses.
Okay,
And they got a call, so I chase.
work out of?
What's that?
What district in Texas do you work out of?
Dallas.
Okay.
My second house.
Saying that's a federal crime. You
Yeah,
understand?
exactly. I know exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
All right,
I
just,
got red bugs out in the weeds last week.
I'm sorry?
I was telling him, watch out in the weeds. I got red bugs. Eat me up chasing a guy through the forest the other night.
All right, do me a favor. Just go ahead and turn around for me. Yeah, put your hands behind your back.
For what?
I'll explain it to you.
Derry Lambert'ın gerçek bir federal koruma görevlisiyle görüşmesinin ardından federal koruma polis ekiplerine şahsın gözaltına alınmasını ve kendisi gelene kadar bekletilmesini talep etti. Bunun üzerine Derry Lambert kelepçelenerek gözaltına alındı.
Well, all right. So you're going to be arrested for impersonating a police officer, okay? I'm going to go ahead and read this to you, okay? And who do you work for? Who are you employed by?
United States Marshal Service.
U.S. Marshals, okay. You told me that you don't have your credentials with you, but they're in your
Yeah, my charger.
charger, a work vehicle,
Right.
okay? Who's the charger registered to?
It's registered to the Marshal Service.
Marshals, okay.
That's my personal vehicle.
So why would the marshals outfit your personal vehicle with lights and sirens?
In Texas, it's not like here.
Okay.
You don't have cars like this.
We have a Florida
trucks.
tag.
I know.
Derry Lambert, çelişkili ifadelerine ve gözaltına alınmasına rağmen büyük bir soğukkanlılıkla kendisinin federal koruma olduğunu iddia etmeye devam etti ve polis ekiplerini manipüle etmeye çalıştı.
Knob on.
Hey, how long you worked for the U.S. Marshals?
About 3 years.
3 years? Okay.
Going on.
I'm sorry?
I'm finishing up at Votech and with Lacucci right now to go to work for American. So,
To do what? To
be a cop.
Gerçek federal koruma bölgeye ulaştı. Bu kişi aslında federal koruma şef yardımcısıydı. Ancak Derry Lambert onu sıradan bir polis memuru sanıyordu. Şef yardımcısı Derry Lambert'ı sorguya aldı.
Coming down the road, get a call on my cell phone. Hey, they see the four-wheeler out there on the drone. Can you come help us?
Who's that?
So
Who
I
called
hung
you?
up. My squad in Texas. If you look through my phone, you'll see the 941 area code.
By squad, what do you mean by squad?
They sent 3 or 4 of us down here,
Who is they?
the Rangers.
The Rangers? Which Rangers? Like the baseball team?
No, hell no.
Okay, so what Rangers?
The Marshals.
The Marshals?
Yeah,
So what, where do you work out of Texas?
Dallas.
Dallas?
Yes.
What's your district?
district? What do you mean?
Derry Lambert bazı sorular karşısında tıkanıp kalıyor, bazı sorularda ise konuyu değiştirerek mantıksız cevaplar veriyordu. Gerçek federal koruma, onun aslında bir koruma görevlisi olmadığını anlayınca alaycı bir tavır sergilemeye başladı.
Well,
We just
if
have
you're
headquarters in the county.
if you're a U.S.
It's
Marshal,
called
you would know your district.
641.
641. Okay.
That's our squad.
Okay.
But there's only a few of us here.
A few of you. Would I be one of those?
No.
I'm not a U.S. Marshal.
I don't know. I see a badge.
Well, here's my credentials. I am actually a Special Deputy U.S. Marshal.
Yeah.
Here are my credentials.
Yeah. Mine are in my car.
These, your credentials like
I
this are in there.
I have one just identically to that.
Okay. I would say probably not. Because I'm asking you very easy questions to be able to identify yourself, and you're not. Who's your supervisor out of Texas?
My supervisor?
Yes, sir. Your direct supervisor.
Jim Willis.
Jim Willis?
Yeah.
What do you do for the United States Marshals?
Well, I normally just do raids.
Raids?
Yeah.
Okay, who do you work for?
I just told you twice.
Like, okay, so where do you work for the Fugitive Task Force? Do you work for the District Marshals?
No,
Do you- who do you work for?
I work for the task force.
You work for the task
Like
force?
people running, we do raids. All I do is raids.
Okay, listen to me for just a second. I'm going to give you a little bit of an out or whatever.
Right.
I know you're not a U.S. Marshal. I'm a U.S. Marshal.
Right.
I know for a fact, 100%, you are not with the U.S. Marshals. Okay? So I would just want to know why you would try to identify as a U.S. Marshal. Was it to, like, get around traffic?
No.
Okay, so what were you trying to do?
I told you twice. I was responding to a call.
With the U.S. Marshals?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't know about the drones out there flying over?
Sir, there is
Yeah,
nothing
no.
like that. I'm gonna give you a little tip, pro tip. Okay? There's only 3 of us in this county. You are not one of the other 2.
Okay.
That's a pro tip.
Derry Lambert, yaşanan olayın ardından mahkeme karşısına çıkarıldı. Çakar kullanımı ve kendisini federal koruma olarak tanıtmasından dolayı 10 yıl hapis cezasına çarptırıldı. Ayrıca kullandığı araç da trafikten men edilerek bağlandı. Eğer siz federal korumanın yerinde olsaydınız ne gibi sorular sorardınız? Fikir ve düşüncelerinizi yorumlarda bekliyoruz. Bu tarz videoların devamı için kanala abone olmayı ve videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın.